So in this life, don't you try to move too fast, or the good times will roll by. So don't just slip by. These days they will come and go.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Queen Dula's vlog. It's my best friend's birthday coming up soon, so we're having a weekend getaway. So yeah, I'm just getting ready. It's 6 o'clock, so I have to get going. We're going by bus. We're going somewhere special, Hamburg. We've never been there together. We've booked ourselves a spa, and I have a surprise dinner reservation for her. So come with me. Let's go and see how it's going to go. See you there. Hi guys, at Copenhagen Central Station. Just want to get some snacks for the road, and we'll meet up my friend. I'm not sure what to get for snacks, but let's see. Come with me, guys. I see Dunkin' Donut is... I thought Dunkin' Donut was open. It's closed. Oh, I wanted to get some donuts. No, it's closed. I guess no donuts for us. So I think I'm gonna get some water and some snacks. See ya. Hi guys. I now have to go up and find the bus. At a station called the bus bro, and I have to go up and find our bus. I have bought water and some snacks. Funny story, guys. It's just a weekend and I had to pack so much. You want to see my suitcase? I don't know if you can. You probably can't see it. I'll flip the camera. Sorry. See my suitcase for 2 nights. Hey guys, I just got to the bus station. I'll just flip the camera and show you, but I think our bus is not yet here. I'm a little bit early. Anyways, so this is the bus station. This one I think is going to Oslo, and there's another one further down there going to Oslo, and I think Malmö and other places. But I think our bus is not yet here, so this is how it looks like. These are the buses. So I'm just gonna find a bathroom quickly. Yeah, because sadly on this trip, I tell you, yesterday my period just had to come. Sorry if it's too much details for you, but that's how it is. And then we're going to a spa hotel, so that's very annoying for me. Very, very annoying, but what can we do? So this is it, guys. Let me find a bathroom, settle down, and wait for my bus. See you. Guys, we're in the bus. Let's go.
Jamen, til vores roomie.
No. Is this us? Okay, I'm hungry. Going over the bridge. Going over the bridge. Is that the new bridge they're making? No. Oh, that's the. To the ferry. We're just driving into the ferry now. We're out of the bus. We're on the ferry. It's gonna be 45 minutes ferry ride to the other side. So
So in this life, don't you try to move too fast, or the good times will roll by.
okay.
So don't just slip by. These days they will come and go. That's how you build a good life. One step, two steps, three, and it's over. 5 into 6 again. 7 steps, 8 steps, 9, and I'm older. Trying to figure out where I fit in.
On the ferry.
So hold your socks again. 7 steps, 8 steps, 9, and I'm older. Trying to figure out where I fit in. So in this life, hold yourself tight. Everything will work out fine. So hold yourself tight.
The Titanic.
Don't you try to move too fast. So in this life, hold yourself tight. Everything will work out fine. Just hold yourself tight. You need to. Don't you try to move too fast. Just hold yourself tight. Please do. Everything will work out fine. Hold yourself tight. Yeah.
Yeah. Relax and enjoy. We'll take it from here. Don't take it from here. Let's go see the balcony. Left or right?
Walk, I think. It's windy.
Oh my god.
Thank you. God, that was so hard. Why has it? Oh, it's following you.
Hi,
came
I think
to
it
me.
followed me. Oh my god! I better not lose my wig.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. Oh, go flying. Hey, Makamba Elias. Where out?
I'm going to the
Holding on to them.
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling.
Yeah.
He never changed his way for me to budge, darling.
Yeah.
It's feeling like a cold, dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat, yeah. It's feeling like a cold, dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. One day I'll be everything you ever want. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold, dark winter.
I have a
Did
child.
you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until
Halfway through our journey, we just left the ferry and we're heading to Hamburg now. So something that I wanted to talk about, I was comparing the buses here and the buses back in my country. See? The bus is not full. There's so many empty seats. So they don't wait for the bus to be full before it starts off. Like in Zambia, where a bus has to be full before it leaves for its destination. So that's what I wanted to share. Let me flip the camera. See, there's so many empty seats. So many empty seats. So it doesn't leave according to how many people are on the bus. It leaves according to the schedule. So yeah, super excited. Birthday girl there. Are you excited? Okay, see you later. Welcome to Hamburg. Hamburger. We're exhausted.
Hamburger.
We're exhausted. Took longer than it was supposed to do. Too much traffic. Too much traffic. I'll show you how it looks. And we think the station is there. Maybe, I don't know. But we'll soon be getting off the bus. We're here.
Was durch Hamburg.
Yes. Ah, my God. People are already.
Of also just taking the hop on, hop off.
Oh,
Like, can see what you mean.
We are in an Uber now, heading to our hotel. Super excited. We're tired, having cookies. Tired and hungry. Oh my gosh.
Right in man.
Hey, right in there, Mama. Right in there. Welcome to a hotel called Vabali.
Is here?
Yes.
Oh, she's talking to herself.
I'm talking to my camera. Don't worry, sir. I see that we are here. Thank you so much.
Right.
Yeah. Hey, it goes in far up. Good day. Yeah, man. Hey, welcome to Vabali. It's been a long journey, but we're so happy to be here. We can't wait to check in, guys. It looks gorgeous. Let me flip. This is the car park and the birthday queen, and this is the entrance. Look at that. There's so many cars. Look at that. We considered driving also, but hey, driving in Germany. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna get some pictures and then we'll show you the inside once we get in. So we're going in now. Going to check in. Oh. I need to leave the bag too. Okay, we're going to check in now.
This is the only video we have.
Oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous.
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted, Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday. Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter, it's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another.
Guys, oh my gosh. So we're gonna go to our room now. This is just okay. Are you ready? Oh, we're going to one.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's going down first. Oh, so nice. What are you doing? What is this woman doing? Hi. Let's go see our room.
It's time.
Let's go.
It's that time.
What's the room number again?
116.
Says stuff. Yeah, it's this. Yeah,
Hotel.
open. Yeah, it's open. Can you imagine? Woohoo! Let us. What?
That's our room.
Room tour. Can I go in front of you? Oh my God. Humongous bed. Oh, look at that. There's a sink here. Oh, the shower is inside here. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Huge bed. Couch there. Big TV.
Ooh, nice. Thanks for.
Oh, double door. But then, Mama,
Pull it.
I'm pulling it. Oh.
Paradise. Ooh, the shower.
Oh my gosh. Happy weekend. Oh my telling you, look at that.
And what's in here? Oh, the
Toilet is separate. That's nice. So no one is nunchaling no one. And the toilet.
No, mine.
Huh?
Come on.
Huh?
Before you mess up. Was I even filming?
Hey guys, we're ready for the spa, and for spa reasons we're not going to take the camera along, so just wanted to show you. I'm gonna hold and show my spa outfit.
The dress be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve.